guys and welcome to a new video on Wolf Dorel's channel. Today I will show you how to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. Without further ado, if you're subscribed, we can get right into it. As you can see, TikTok has this photo swipe option that is really cool and interesting, but maybe you don't have it, and today we will fix it. First thing that we need to check is if our TikTok is actually the newest version. As you can see, mine is. When you search TikTok on Google Play, you can see that your TikTok is or isn't the newest version. If it isn't, update it. Next thing that we will need to do, we will discard this and go right into the settings. These three lines, settings and privacy. Now go down and you can see free up space option. Click on that. As you can see, I have a lot of cache. It is not good. If I click on clear, I will clear it. App cache is used only to speed up the performance of your app, but it can sometimes back things up. Okay, when we did it and when we made sure that our TikTok is updated, our photo option should work now perfectly. If it isn't, you can always report a problem to TikTok and they will help you from there. If you like this video, I hope that you did. I wish you all the best. Until next one. Bye.